Welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize the settings menu on your Xiaomi G27Qi gaming monitor. So first of all, let's access the settings menu. To do that, we have to press the power button on the back side of the monitor. You can reach it from the right side of it, and once you press it, you will see this D-pad on your screen. So now in order to open the menu, drag the joystick to the right, and once you see the main menu, you have to scroll down to menu settings, and here you have options like rotation, which will rotate your menu on the screen. So if you select a different value for rotation, for example 90 degrees, it will rotate it to the side. Now if you select off, it will turn it back. Now in transparency menu, we can adjust the transparency of the settings menu. Okay, to do that, use this leveler, which you can adjust using by dragging your joystick up or down. Then we also have the menu position, so if you want to extend it or shrink it, adjust the horizontal value and also the vertical. Okay, so now if you want to move it on your screen rather. And at the bottom we have shortcuts. So we have shortcut for up button, down button, and left button. And to apply the shortcut for it, you have to select one shortcut from the following menu after you select the button you want to use a shortcut for. To exit this menu, just drag your joystick to the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.